It's me, Ruby. Today we're gonna do some slime. Right now I have a special guest, my friend Scarlett.
Hi, my name is Scarlett. I'm here with Ruby. We're gonna make slime with Tide.
Wait. The first ingredient you're gonna need is glue,
Glue.
which is the special glue. You need this glue. Elmer's glue. You don't have to get the glue and all, but we're gonna use this one. You're gonna need paints, or you could just not put paint. Optional. You're gonna need some mixing tools, cups, or something to put in the slime,
Something to put in the slime, yeah.
and some
Tide.
Tide. Okay. So
Let's start it. Let's get
start.
started.
So we get our cups.
Together.
So now we're just right.
One more thing. Well, you could use green Tide or
Clear
other
Tide, blue Tide, yellow Tide, if there is. I don't
It
think so.
doesn't matter.
Doesn't
Whichever
matter.
color
Whatever Tide.
do you have?
There. Oh God, I put a lot. Try to put the same thing.
Oh, there's no slime.
There. Yes, there is.
Do you have more?
Yes.
Where?
This one.
More.
This is the only one. Okay. Let's see, 'cause I don't have
You
more.
see?
That's okay. Alright, so we don't need this no more. We could put the paint right now or paint at last. Do you want to put it right now?
You?
I do. Actually, I'm not gonna use this because the last time I did it and it was just like not that stretchy. They hearing you. Okay, so I'm not gonna use this. Are you?
Because one time I made slime with Tide and they make all ugly.
Yeah.
Cool
So
as
back.
that.
Oh, look guys! I threw it and look what happened. I hope you see it. That happened. It just landed right there. Wait, my brother wants to do something. So right now, she was talking about something.
Oh. Okay. Hi guys, Miss Scarlett. I was talking about that. If you get that glue, this glue, because she put a lot of glue, and it's not a lot of glue, she doesn't have no
Okay, I'm back.
more glue, but they buy her a lot.
Yeah. They're gonna buy me a gallon of glue when it's my birthday.
Mine.
So right now we're just gonna
My
get
birthday
some
is in December. Yours?
Mine in December.
Uh-uh.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It's in December 18th.
December. Your
December. Yes. No. Not on Christmas. Well, you want to put a little by little because sometimes it
You
doesn't.
told me when.
Stop.
There.
Okay. So you're just gonna mix it. Oh, mine's already turning into slime.
Nah. Mine is not because I just put a little. What did she do? She's dummy.
You're
Ruby,
You're all over me.
We'll move after the week. Okay, bye. I'm seeing you later. Psych, I come back. What? I didn't make slime.
You need to mix it right. So. Mix it.
Oh, I did.
Mine is still sticky. Let's check. Oh God. Good thing I'm not using my 2 hands.
Put me some time.
Put you. You're the one that did not touch it, so I'm putting myself in. Oh look, mine's already getting into good slime. Don't touch it don't touch it with your both hands. I think this one's ready.
Is this one ready?
Wait, this one's not ready. No, it's not ready. You need to put more Tide of it. Go.
I can.
Mix it.
I can't.
Mix it with your hands.
I'm dummy.
This is what happens when she's a dummy. Haha.
Is it ready?
A ver. Oh shit.
Yes.
No.
Didn't make to slime then.
A ver. Hello.
Ruby, I'm throwing it in space.
Mama's gonna get mad at you.
There.
Wow.
Ruby, there. Just falling down.
Okay, and then. Oh god. It's too sticky.
This one too.
Oh yeah. I thought it was not gonna make of her slime, but it did. Oh look, guys. You see, if you put paint, it won't get that much stretchy.
Good, you put me a little tight.
For it can make it good, because then it won't.
You see, it's not making me good. It's making me bad. It's making me bad, not good.
Get it?
It's making me bad, not good.
Okay, now I don't want this one.
It's making me bad still. She's a dummy. I don't mix them.
Got it. I got this.
Ruby's falling down.
Okay, let me see.
Wait.
Oh shoot. That should be good for it to get sticky. And for it to make slime. See, I still had glue. See, is it making good sticky?
Yeah.
Now it's making good, right? Slime! Slime rules! Slime rules! Slime rules!
Fake slime.
This is actually real slime.
Una poquita. No, that's...
Let's see, let's work with her. Actually, no. Actually, comment down below who's the game master, because Rebecca Zamalo is getting by the game master and somebody else. I forgot. What was his name? Let me see.
Wait, I already got it.
Oh. So yeah, guys, this is slime. It's stretchy.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting all my hands.
Not over her feet. You see, you need more time. A little bit. Is it sticky? No, it's not even sticky, Scarlett.
Yes, but I want to take all of this off.
Oh wait, let me put a little bit. Cause mine is sticky. Sorry guys. Sorry if you hear Spanish TV. It's because my mom talks in Spanish and we don't have direct TV. We used to have, but not anymore. See, slime rules.
Now.
And now I need to put more glue. I want more glue.
Isn't my...
Before it falls. Look. Oh no, mine is sticky. Oh no. Oh no, Scarlett, I need your help.
Fine. Let's wait a little. I'm not hoping. Stop it for me.
No! Because that means that we're stopping recording. Okay, put me some.
What?
Put me some.
Some what?
Time. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop!
You still me? I didn't get it off.
Oh god, I thought something was falling off. It just went like this.
I didn't got all of it.
So we're mixing this. I did not get all of it too. See, we still have some there. But it just comes into random stuff. Like, just not even. I have googly eyes. I don't know where they are.
Ruby, I mixed it. I put it here.
I don't know.
Se me hace feo que.
I don't know. If you put it in there, it's gonna be like the other time and we're gonna put more glue.
Because there's still slime in there.
Mine is pokey.
You mixed some too, Lara.
Yeah, but mine wasn't that watery. Look.
So I throw this.
Here, throw mine.
Wait, there's some slime.
You see there's slime right here.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, guys, so this is the end because I don't know. But I might have a story, draw my life story. Nah, I'm just kidding. Look, I'm actually gonna put it.
This one's not making slime.
I'm actually gonna put her. Look, guys.
Put more glue.
Yo te dije.
A little bit. Just a little bit. Until you just there.
Okay, bye guys. See you later.